How to mute a video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to mute a video in CapCut, I'll show you how to do it in two easy ways. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the new project button. Now from here, simply select the video, and once you have selected it, it will be displayed on the timeline. So now let's start with the method 1, that is to adjust volume to 0. So tap on video clip and at the bottom swipe over and tap on the volume option. And now after that, you can here drag the volume to 100% to maximize the volume, but to mute the video you need to drag the volume down to 0 and tap the check mark to confirm. But this only mutes the audio, but sound is still the part of that clip. So to remove it, I'll show you the method 2, that is to completely remove audio. So simply select the video clip in your timeline and swipe over and tap on the option labeled as extract audio. And once you tap on that, the audio will now appear as a separate track. And now you just have to tap on the audio track and then either adjust its volume to 0 or simply tap on delete. And once you have done that, the audio will be fully removed and you will not have anything to worry about any sound from that clip. And that's it. That's how you can mute video on CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.